Have you ever heard of a lake that literally explodes? It sounds like something out of a disaster movie, but on August 21, 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon did just that. It wasn't a volcanic eruption in the traditional sense, but a silent, invisible killer that rose from the depths. In a matter of moments, a massive cloud of gas burst from the lake's surface, traveling at nearly 100 kilometers per hour. This deadly fog hugged the ground, flowing down into the surrounding valleys and villages. By morning, an eerie silence had fallen. Nearly 1,800 people and thousands of livestock had perished, not from a blast or fire, but from suffocation. What could cause such a bizarre and catastrophic event? The answer lies deep beneath the water, in a strange and terrifying chemical process. To understand this disaster, we need to look at the unique geology of Lake Nyos. It's a crater lake, formed in the caldera of a dormant volcano. Below the lakebed, magma is still active, slowly releasing gases, primarily carbon dioxide, into the water at the bottom of the lake. Because the lake is very deep and thermally stratified, meaning it has distinct layers of water at different temperatures that mix this CO2 just dissolves and accumulates under immense pressure at the bottom. Think of it like a giant, unshaken bottle of soda. For centuries, the gas just kept building up, year after year, turning the deep waters into a ticking time bomb. The concentration of dissolved gas became incredibly high, a supersaturated state just waiting for a trigger. So what finally set off this explosion? Scientists believe the trigger was likely a landslide, a small earthquake, or even just unusually cold rainwater disturbing the lake's stable layers. Whatever it was, it caused the deep gas-rich water to suddenly rise. As this water moved towards the surface, the pressure holding the CO2 in solution decreased rapidly. This is the exact same principle as when you open a can of soda. The dissolved gas comes out of solution violently. In the case of Lake Nyos, an estimated 1.2 cubic kilometers of carbon dioxide gas erupted from the lake in a massive effervescent burst. This is what's known as a limnic eruption, and the release of bicarbonate and dissolved CO2 was so immense it created a fountain of water over 100 meters high. The gas released, carbon dioxide, is heavier than air, so instead of dispersing into the atmosphere, it formed a dense, suffocating blanket about 50 meters thick that silently rolled down the hillsides, displacing all the oxygen in its path. People and animals in the affected area simply fell unconscious and died from asphyxiation. It was a silent, invisible wave of death. The devastation was so complete and so strange that initial responders were utterly bewildered. The only survivors in the hardest hit areas were those who were on high ground, above the deadly gas cloud. It's a chilling reminder of the hidden and powerful forces that can be at play in our natural world. Thankfully, this tragic event led to action. Scientists now understand the danger, and a degassing project has been underway at Lake Nyos since 2001. Large pipes have been installed to siphon the gas-rich water from the bottom of the lake to the surface in a controlled manner, allowing the dissolved CO2 to be released safely and continuously. It's a fascinating feat of engineering designed to prevent another catastrophe. This process has significantly reduced the gas concentration, making the region much safer. The story of Lake Nyos is a powerful lesson in geology, chemistry, and the importance of scientific intervention to protect human life. It's a wild world out there with some incredible and sometimes scary phenomena. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the wonders and dangers of our planet. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.